Welcome to the Bible study based on the book of Genesis, the life of Abraham. Today we will be seeing sevenfold blessing for Abraham. When God called him to follow him without knowing the destination. If he obeys, he will have sevenfold blessing. So the sevenfold blessings are, he'll become a great nation, he will be blessed, he will get a great name, he will become source of blessing, it will have multiple effect, and there will be protection, and the blessing will have a ripple effect on the whole globe. So the sevenfold blessings are inheritance of all believers who trust in him. So we are, as children of Abraham, we inherit his call and we also inherit his blessings. So Abraham will become a great nation. So from him came the nation of Israel, and the Messiah, Lord Jesus Christ, descended from him. So he became a great nation, the nation that would bring blessing to whole humanity. Adam and Eve sinned, and they brought curse on whole humanity. Because of the obedience of Abraham, he will be one of the channels for the Messiah to come. So then it says, I will bless you. The Lord will bless Abraham. So Lord will himself bless him. So he will bless him in such a way that he will have a great name. Today, Abraham's name is considered as great, as three major religions of the world claim that they are descendants of Abraham. So he has a great name, maybe the greatest name in the history of humanity, and he will be a source of blessing. That means he will not only receive blessing from him, through him, God's blessing will flow to all nations. So that means he becomes a channel, a source, a resource of blessing. So that is our call also. We are not only called to receive blessing from Lord Jesus Christ, we are called to be channels of blessings. Our empty cups should overflow with his blessings and fill the empty cups of people around us. Then this blessing has multiple effect. It is not only just spiritual, it has holistic impact. It embraces our whole life. Not only life, not only our family, not only our community, it transcends all. Then the Lord said, there is a protection. How is the protection? Those who bless Abraham will be blessed. Those who curse Abraham will be cursed. So in that way, the relationship with Abraham determines a person's destiny. So those who bless Abraham, those who are positively inclined, those who have a right attitude towards Abraham and the descendants, so they will be blessed. So when they are opposing Abraham, when they are cursing Abraham, so when they are persecuting Abraham, their protection is lost. So they will be given the same treatment by God. So that's a grand protection, and it's also a global blessing. Each and every family in the world will be blessed by Abraham, because Lord Jesus Christ came into this world to die for each and every human being. So his love, his offer of forgiveness, his plan of salvation, so eternal redemption is available to all people as a blessing of Abraham through Lord Jesus Christ. So if we want to be a blessing, if we want to receive blessing, we have to follow the footsteps of Abraham in trusting God, in leaving all our inferior temporal worldly identities and be ready to receive his blessings. So may God bless you like Abraham, and may God help you to be obedient like Abraham. May God bless you.